Why pay somebody to it up when you can do it yourself? Today, we're going to cook another ribeye, but we're going to cook it y'all's way. Today's video is made possible by Texas Salt Co., a company that specializes in artisanal smoked salts and peppers. Check the link in the bio. Well, majority of y'all just got basic taste buds and y'all just want salt and pepper, but we're going to spruce it up a little bit. Some Texas Salt Co. triple heat. Then we're going to come in with some of their cowboy pepper. This triple heat by Texas Salt Co. has smoked sea salt, jalapeno powder, habanero powder, ghost pepper powder. And it smells fantastic. Their cowboy peppercorn, it has cracked black peppercorn, dried garlic, and dried rosemary. And it also smells fantastic. I guess y'all can give me hell about cutting on these cheap ass plates next.